What's going on, guys? I'm Steve. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't regret it. You're a returning subscriber as always, guys. Welcome back, and I do appreciate support. Guys, you know, in my opinion, a lot of the violence that you see in this country nowadays come from a lot of males who are adults in body, not in mind. They look like men, but they think like little boys. And a lot of them have zero impulse control. Enter today's story and this person here up here. Guy you see up here is Dewan Hobson, 31 years old, Detroit, Michigan. Shout out Detroit. I've been missing my shout outs lately. I apologize. A few weeks back, I did a story, and it was about a stabbing at a pool party in which multiple people were stabbed, and one person, the one that organized the party or threw the party, was killed. This guy right here is the guy that supposedly or allegedly did the stabbing. Now I'm about to show you his arraignment hearing. I want you to look at three things: how he acts in court. I want you to also watch what they tell you it was about, and a little bit of details about how this went down. There are some people out here that kill for nothing. And I mean, when you hear what this is about, this is the stupidest thing ever. This guy right here is a grown-ass child, lives with his grandma, history of physical abuse with females. And just take a look at this, man. I mean, I'm not going to give you no commentary. It's a 6-minute video. Give you some details about what happened. Take a look. This guy act like he don't even know the amount of trouble he's in, and if so, he don't care. Check this out.
Let's do Mr. Hobson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you been interviewed by defense counsel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see. There should be Mr. Brico. Was Mr. Hobson already interviewed?
He has been, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Hobson, let's take care of you. Case number is 250-59630. Excuse me, 250-5963601. Please say your full name, Mr. Hobson.
Yeah, Dewan Lemaine Hobson.
Thank you, sir. You have an attorney, Counsel Brico, Wayful Marine, stand mute. Has he been advised of his constitutional rights?
Yes, to all three, Judge.
Thank you. I'm going to enter plea of not guilty. Court dates are September 16, 2025. It is a probable cause conference. I believe it is at 8:30, followed by preliminary examination, September 23rd, 2025. Okay. Both matters are in front of Judge Shakay. Who's here on behalf of the people?
Camila Bosco, Your Honor.
Go ahead with your argument, please.
Your Honor, I'm asking for a remand for Mr. Hobson. This is a very serious allegation. He has 2 homicide 1 charges, 2 AWIM charges. He was at a party and got angry that somebody was dancing with his girlfriend. An argument escalated to where Mr. Hobson stabbed 4 different people. He had the knife on him the whole time during this entire party. 2 of the people died from their injuries. And then 1 person had to get medical attention. There's a high likelihood of conviction, Your Honor, in this matter because there's a video that captures the entire incident. What's even more concerning, Your Honor, is he just got out on parole for an assault to do great bodily harm out of Macomb County, where he strangled a girl, and he talked about how he had strangled this girl out of Macomb County. What's interesting is in the Macomb County case, they dismissed the AWIM charge because he pled nolo to the assault to do great bodily harm charge. So with that being said, I don't know what his parole status is going to be now that this happened, but this incident happened a month after he got out of jail. So I'm asking for the remand.
Okay. Council Rico, go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Hobson, and I know the court's aware and everybody here is aware of this, but obviously Mr. Hobson is presumed innocent of all these allegations. There are only allegations at this moment. Judge will remain innocent the entire time unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Judge, to the charges, this court has discretion for remand. I'm asking this court to exercise their discretion and impose anything but a remand, Judge. I have no objection to a high amount of monetary bond on this matter. I have no objection to monitoring Mr. Hobson on this matter, but I do believe that this bond should be fashioned and conditioned in a way that is not punitive or a punishment, but rather serves the means of flight risk and dangerousness. And I think that this court can achieve those means through anything but a remand, Judge. So of course, even if the bond amount were in the $1 million amount, I would have no objection. It gives Mr. Hobson a meaningful chance to exit pretrial detention and assist on this matter. Judge, some other factors I want you to consider is that my client is 31 years old. He's a lifelong resident of this state. He lives with his grandmother. He has 2 children, and he does have certain mental issues that this court's able to consider under the relevant court rule, that being PTSD and depression, Judge. So, Judge, notwithstanding the severity of the allegations, and that's all they are at this moment are allegations, I'm still requesting some amount of monetary bond with no objection to any other conditions. I do believe that Mr. Hobson would be able to abide by any of these court's conditions should he be given some chance at monetary, Judge. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Court heard the representations, both sides, use clear convincing evidence standard. Okay. Reading of the investigator's report indicates, shows, where did I see it? That he was pointed out, Mr. Hodgson, okay. And not only that, but was also indicated, where else did I see it? The statements made, I've read it. Here you go. That he just stabbed me. And he was pointed out as the person that stabbed one of the individuals. Okay. The court has heard enough. This court is going to do a remand. I will also indicate, Mr. Hobson, some bond conditions, even though while you're incarcerated, okay, there are some bond conditions. You're not to possess any firearms, any other dangerous weapons, or they're handmade or any other object that can be used as a weapon, and you're not to have any contact with any witnesses of this case. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. Hobson, let me also say, okay, is that whoever your attorney is, okay, they can approach Judge Shakay, whether it's on the date of September 16th or before, about addressing the issue of your status, your bond status, whether you're going to get a monetary bond, whether you're going to remain on remand status. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That concludes your arraignment, sir.
Y'all see me?
Good luck for you and everybody else.
Yeah.
Thank you.